Hello students, in this video we will learn how to solve assertion reason type questions. Assertion reason type of questions consist of two parts. First part is assertion, which is denoted by A, and second part is reason denoted by R. And then we will have to choose correct option for both assertion and reason. If A and R both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A, then we will choose option A. Second possibility may be there. Both A and R both are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then we will choose option B. Third possibility is there. A is true, but R is false. Then we will choose C. And fourth possibility is there. A is false, but R is true. Then we will choose option D. So before solving these types of question, we will have to learn assertion and reason very carefully. And we have to find which is correct. Is it correct explanation or not? Now, we will solve some questions from chapter tissue. First question is, ciliated epithelium helps in movement of particles. It is assertion. Reason is given, cilia help in movement. When we read assertion, it is true. Ciliated epithelium helps in movement of particles. And when we see the reason, cilia help in movement. So here assertion and reason both are true, as well as reason is given here is correct explanation of assertion. So because of that, we will choose the correct option A. As we know, cilia helps in movement of the particles in free cells or mucus in a specific direction. Now, our second question, a simple tissue is made of only one type of cell. It is assertion. Reason is given, various simple tissues in plants are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Now, when we read this assertion, it is true. Simple tissues is made up of only one kind of cells. That's why they are known as simple. The reason is given here, various simple tissue in plants are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. In this reason, there is only types of simple plant tissues are there. But the reason doesn't explain why simple tissue are called simple. It's okay. So A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. So that's why we choose the option B. Now we see our third question. Cartilage and bone are rigid connective tissue. This is assertion. Reason is given here. Blood is connective tissue in which plasma is matrix. When we read the assertion, it is correct. Cartilage and bone both are hard, both are rigid because matrix is hard. Now, when we see the reason, bone is connective tissue in which plasma is the matrix, it is also correct. Both A and R, they are correct, but R is not correct explanation of assertion. So, bone is a hard connective tissue while blood is a fluid connective tissue. So, reason doesn't explain the assertion. We will choose here the option B because A and R both are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. So that's why we choose the option B. So in this way, we can solve assertion reason type of questions. Thank you.